frequency of series limit of Balmer series of hydrogen atom in terms of Rydberg constant r and velocity of light c is. In this problem, we should measure the limiting frequency of Balmer series. Balmer series is formed due to the transition of electron from higher energy level to n equal to 2 level. Here, during this transition, the energy can be described as E equal to RCHZ square into 1 by n1 square minus 1 by n2 square. The energy emitted during this transition can be described in terms of photon. Therefore, according to the Planck's equation, E equal to h nu. From these two equations, we can write h nu is equal to RCHZ square into 1 by n1 square minus 1 by n2 square. Okay, at the same time, we know limiting Balmer series is due to the transition of n1 equal to 2 to and n2 equal to infinity. That means from infinity to a electron transition to the energy level n equal to 2. In this situation, limiting Balmer series is formed. Okay, we are just substituting these n1 n2 values in this expression. What happened? Okay, nu equal to rc. Here 1 describes about the atomic number of hydrogen. At the same time, into 1 by 2 square minus 1 by infinity square. From this, we get new frequency equal to rc by 4. Therefore, limiting frequency here rc by 4, that is fourth option is correct.